I hate you. I hate you. Hate. Hate is a strong word, but it sums up everything I feel for you, Cena. I hate your hats. I hate your t-shirts. I hate your wristbands. I hate your shoes. I hate your music. I hate your C Nation. I hate everything that you stand for. And John, whether you want to admit it or not, this, all the years between you and I, it's exhausted you as much as it has me. This can't go on any longer. And it's shortened both of our careers. And at Backlash, this is finally going to end. One of us will beat the other so badly that they can't get back up. And make no mistake about it, at the end of that match, the one who's going to be left standing is me.